Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Civic louder. We will dive into various methods, starting with exhaust system modifications that can dramatically change your car's sound. Then, we'll explore how intake upgrades contribute to a more aggressive engine note. Finally, we'll cover important considerations like local noise regulations and professional installation to ensure a safe and enjoyable modification. One of the most effective ways to make your Civic louder is through exhaust system enhancements. A full catback exhaust system, for example, can increase sound output by 10 to 15 decibels, offering a much deeper and more aggressive tone. For an even more pronounced sound, consider a muffler delete, which removes the primary sound dampening component. Resonator deletes also contribute to a louder, more raw exhaust note. Beyond the exhaust, your intake system plays a crucial role in your Civic's sound. Installing a cold air intake can amplify the engine's induction noise, giving you a satisfying growl under acceleration. Short ram intakes offer a similar effect, often providing a louder, more immediate sound. For turbocharged models, upgrading the turbocharger itself can also significantly alter the exhaust note, making it more pronounced and powerful. Before making any modifications, it is vital to research local noise ordinances. Many areas have strict limits, often around 95 decibels. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure proper fitment and prevent issues like exhaust leaks. Always choose components that align with your desired sound profile and consider how the changes will affect your Civic's overall performance and daily drivability. Enjoy your louder ride responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.